Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to fix scroll not working on ChatGPT. So guys, the method one, you can ask ChatGPT yourself and you can ask you about how to fix scroll not working. And the method two, guys, just follow the steps. Right click on the inspect and at the HTML section, look for overflow, and you can find just below in the body tags and the div tag and the overflow, write in overflow and search for hidden. And after that, write manual to fix. Simply click on overflow and you will show up the styles window, the hidden, and write auto, replace auto for the hidden. For example, this one, click inspect, and after that search for hidden, search for this option, guys, overflow. And after that, what you have to click paste overflow, and the hidden, replace the hidden for auto, this option, guys, auto, and you will fix your problem without any problem. So guys, thanks for watching this video. See you on another video soon. I hope this video helpful for you.